Hey guys, welcome to another video episode of CoinSutra. I'm your host Harsh Agrawal. Well, few days back I've created this video tutorial where I've showed you how you can manually track your portfolio using Blockfolio. Now, Blockfolio offers auto sync feature with Binance also, but for some reason it has been giving error for a lot of users, including me. And I'm not sure if the problem is because with Blockfolio or something is being done on Binance side. Either way, the Blockfolio and Binance does not seems to be getting along well, and hence that's why we need to start a new software, and that is CoinStats. Now, CoinStats has been around for a while, and the reason I did not recommend CoinStats at the first place is because it is quite overwhelming for a new user. But the platform is pretty amazing, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can auto sync your Binance portfolio with CoinStats. So without further delay, let's go ahead, let's do this. You can find the link of Blockfolio in the description, and from there on you can go and sign up for your CoinStats account. So very first thing you'll be doing is you'll be going to log into CoinStats, click on get started. You can sign up with email or you can sign up with any of the social media accounts. So in this case, let's quickly sign up with Twitter. And here I am logged into my CoinStats account. Now the very first thing you'd be seeing is a screen like this, which is asking you to connect your wallet. So you can connect your auto sync your account from all the exchanges like Binance, FTX and other supported exchanges. You can also connect your wallet directly. You can also connect it with your MetaMask wallet. You can also connect with Ledger, which I have not tried ever, or you can connect with Trezor. You can also add manual transaction if you like, if you want to manage your portfolio manually. So there are multiple choices that you can use. Now in this case, since we are going to use auto sync feature, we are going to use connect exchanges. So let's click on connect exchange, and these are the exchanges which are supported by CoinStats. So in this case, select Binance, and let's name it Binance Test. Now we need to get the API key and API secret. Now to do that, log into your Binance account, click on your profile name and click on API management. And now you need to create a new API. So give it a name, CoinStats, click on create API, and then it would ask, you need to do OTP, click on send code. So just a second. Alright, so my API key has been created. Now this is the API key and this is the secret. Now what you need to know is that you would never want to enable this feature called enable withdrawals, because this is very important. Now if you're going to use margin trading or an option trading, you want to enable these features, but never enable withdrawal feature, because that would make your API key very unsecure and something that you should not do. So anyways, now let's just copy this code here, API key, and then let's copy the API secret key and then click on submit. Now it will connect to Binance account, it will fetch all, and then you can enable. So we are not looking to fetch margin account stats, we are looking to fetch saving account stats. This is another very important thing that you should be doing. So we'll enable spot account, we'll enable saving account and click on add accounts, and then it will connect to Binance account to fetch all the data. So that should take few minutes, and here we are. So let's go through this tutorial. So profit, you can see the profit loss in this statement, and then where's the next button? I can't find it, so let's skip the tutorial. So yeah, you can see your profit and loss here. So you can always click on any of the instrument also, and it would show you all your holdings. So it can show like I'm holding about 120 BAKE, that's worth this. The profit loss is $1.07. And when I click on this, it gives me a lot more data in terms of transactions, if there are any open orders. So these are some of the open orders, and the syncing is still in progress, but anyways, we can always go back to home page, and we can always click on portfolio tracker to see our portfolio. So you can create multiple portfolio if you like, and you can always click on add portfolio and add your another wallet and exchanges. Now definitely it requires pro account for multiple exchange connection, but I think the link I've given you a referral link, and if that you use that link, you'll be able to use their pro account for free for few months which will help you to get an idea of how CoinStats work. And pretty much that's it. Now I let you explore this platform of your own, but this is how you add an exchange. You can always delete an exchange if you like by clicking on delete button, which is what I'm gonna do. And I'm also gonna delete API management key here, and that's it. The API key is deleted. So anyways, that's about how you can connect your CoinStats account with Binance account for portfolio management. This is something that you must do, and this will help you to keep a note of how much profit and how much loss you are making in every script that you are buying or selling. With that, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. This is Harsh.